Why can't you be like your neighbor? Like, this guy feathered out nicely. This guy is taking a siesta. No one said asleep on the job, buddy. You know, I used this guy with good intentions that he was gonna work. I mean, yeah, it's like a forest, I understand. But if you can't even comb through it, don't call yourself a brow product. Brow products are meant to comb through the brow. Don't make me feel like I'm out of place. I'm not the only one with thick brows. I'm over it. So we got a little Huda Beauty. We got a little Lunar Beauty. It's all gonna be on Design Beauty. So what do we think about that, you guys? Sounds like a pretty good one today, right? Welcome back to Design Beauty by Kat. And yes, we got a lot of beauty going on today. I just did a little purple look for you guys. Got a little small wing going on there. And the reason I didn't finish it off is because we got this Huda Beauty mascara right here to try out. Yeah, this lovely lady got to my doorstep. I saw her, I grabbed her, and I told her, come on in. So this nice little component right here is Huda Beauty's Legit Lashes. I was just scrolling through YouTube and I had saw that she had a new lash product. And I was like, why not try it? Because, you know, I'm all about accentuating my own natural lashes. Do I have fake lashes? Yes, they're like somewhere behind me over here. But do I use them? No, not really, I don't. So, arrest me, I don't know. I'm not opposed to it. I just don't like messing with lash glue and all that stuff. So when I saw this and her promoting this mascara, I don't know if you guys were interested in it, but I went ahead and picked it up. Then I saw Manny, because I love to watch his channel, Mr. Manny MUA. He has his new product out. It's the Lunar Beauty right here, and he has like a moon collection, and this is the moon lipstick. There's 3 different kinds that you can get. I think one is called Serene, one is called Moon, which is this one, and another one is called, I don't know, something else. I'm not too big of a lip gloss girl, but it's Manny, so you know, let's support Manny. This is a really nice component right here. The packaging is very nice. If you can tell right here, it has like a diamond on the inside, so it's just clear. You know, almost feels like glass. I'm not sure if it's glass or not, but it feels good. It feels nice and heavy and sturdy. So this one is the best color that I saw, which was the moon, and it's like a really nice, perfect nude color. And when he put it on, it looked amazing. Okay, I mean, it looked amazing, and it's the only one that was left. I couldn't buy nothing else anyway. There's 3 of these, and then there is blushes, and when I went online, they were gone. The blushes were already gone. So I'm excited to try this out for you guys. I'm getting this video up for you today. I'm on it. We're ready to rock and roll. So we're just gonna read this box right here. It says Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. That's what it's called. You deserve the best lashes. I know, thank you. We legitimately swear to give you major volume and to always provide dramatic curl and insane length. All that is what it says right here. 2 mascaras and 1 volume, curl, and length. And it does have a picture of Huda, and that's her eyes right there. And it shows you the before and the after. It looks like it means business, you know what I mean? I love a good mascara. You know how picky I am, you guys, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see. All right. It does say here, before and after shot on Huda's Real Lash. No editing. No editing. It says, volume, brush, and formula. Soft waxes and low gravity volumizing fibers to build volume without weight or stiffness. Injected brush with intertwined petal bristles to not lose sight on definition. And then the next brush is the curl and length. It says that brush formula is gripping waxes and 5mm fibers for an immediate elongated effect. Innovative curved injected brush to comb to maximum curvature. Well, we all want maximum curvature, don't we? I'll answer that. We do. And I think this is only in one color called Very Vanta, which is extreme black. So it says it right there. I'm gonna kill this ring light. I really am. It does no justice in me showing you guys anything. How does everybody else do it? How does their ring light not get in the way?
Is there a secret that I don't know? Can you please share with me? Why does my ring light ruin everything I'm trying to show?
Let's just go over this packaging. It is a sleek design. It is supposed to be ergonomical because it's supposed to be shaped to where you have a better grip. That's what she says. We're gonna find out. It is a little bit bulky, I'm not gonna lie, but it's pretty. It's actually a really pretty component. It does tell you this side is curl and length and this side is volume. So from what I understand from watching her video, she said to use the volume first, then go in with the curl and length. She said you can do either or if you like, but the best result, which is what we want the best result always the best result, in case you didn't know. I really do like how it says Huda Beauty with the pink right here. I really do like that. I think that's pretty clever. It looks kind of cute. So we open this up right here, and the brush is on the component on this side, and the end part is what holds the product. It's a really good size, and it's really wide on the bottom. It kind of has a dip in the center, and then it tapers down. Looks like it's gonna be a different type of brush, you know? We're gonna try it out, you guys. Let's see how it goes. All right, so we're gonna start with this side right here. We're gonna get right in the base, and we're gonna pull it up. Okay, and I'm really trying to get in there real good. I like to do this twisting motion to try to get every single lash that I can. And let me tell you guys, you can feel this brush when you get too close to your skin on the inside, on your waterline. They're tough little bristles. I'll tell you that right now. There's some tough little guys in there. It has, you see those right there? Those little bristles on the end? So that's supposed to help you to pick through and separate. So we're gonna try to use that to our advantage. And it doesn't hurt to blink. You can blink down on it. Look at the difference before and after. That gave some lift, you guys. We're gonna try out the other side now. And this one is a different shape brush, and this is the volume and length side. This brush has its regular curve, like the majority that you'll see, and the bristles also seem very fine. So let's see what this guy does. We're going to pop that on. That is pretty darn good length. It is. It's pulled it up so much so where you can see the white of my waterline in there, which we didn't see a little while ago, because you don't see it right here and you didn't see it right here, but since it lifted the lash so much from the root, now you can see my waterline. Great. Now I gotta fix that. I don't like tight lining. I don't. Tight lining is when you go in there and you do the waterline. I don't like doing it. That's just me. Don't judge me. Now, if I was doing somebody's makeup, and let's say I'm putting mascara on them, you can put mascara on the top first, and then you go the regular way. You just have to be careful how you do it. You have to have them look in a certain level to where you're not gonna hit the lashes on the bottom, but you're gonna get a nice coat on top. I didn't do that right now because this is fibers. I don't want loaded fibers on the top and the bottom and all that nonsense, because I don't want to start pulling out my lashes. We're gonna try the volumizing side again. These bristles, you guys, are no joke. They are very pointy and they're very sharp. Do we actually see if there's a difference between using the lengthening side or just using this side? I don't know, you guys. To me, it looks like they kind of look the same. I'm gonna go ahead with this one just to see if it gives a difference, but I will tell you, she says on there that it doesn't dry down too fast, and I kind of feel like it does. I kind of feel like if I keep on, it's gonna get very clumpy very fast. I mean, to me, that's a really darn good mascara, dude. This is a really good mascara. I think this will be my go-to for a while. The test is, how does it look when you wash it off? If I start seeing my eyelashes leaving my eyeball, we're gonna have problems. Huda, I'm gonna call you. She doesn't know who I am, so she won't answer the phone. But I'm still gonna call. We're gonna use just the lengthening side on the bottom lashes, because I think this brush is a good size for that. I really do like this mascara. When you see a darn good mascara, you gotta give props. She did a really good job with it. All I could say negative is the bristles are very sharp. So when they were touching on the very inner parts of my waterline, they are sharp. They feel like little tiny baby needles. So it's like I'm getting a tattoo on my waterline. involuntary. Other than that, I think you kind of need the bristles to be that sharp so you can give that lift and comb through each one. Another little downfall that I'll say is I don't think it gives you that much time that she claimed it did. She says, oh, you can work with it for a while. I'm not seeing that you can work with it for a while, because if you were noticing when I was doing it, this area starts to get kind of clumped up real quick. No, if you tell me you're going to work for a little while and you're going to let me play with it for a minute, well, I expect you to let me play with it for a minute. Don't be setting like concrete in front of me when you said that you're going to give me some time. All right, it's not quick set. You said I had some time. I'd recommend you try it if you have really small lashes. This gave them a huge extension. I like it, I love it, and I want some more of it. So this guy gets my stamp of approval. You're good. So now we're gonna move on to the Lunar Beauty, and like I said, it's Manny MUA. I couldn't not get one of his products. I couldn't not. So here we go with our Lunar Beauty. Very nice component. I have nothing to complain about. When you open it, when you go to close it, it locks in, and you know he's sealed, and he ain't gonna open up for nobody until I open it. That's right. I'm gonna go in with this regular NYX lip pencil, and this is in the shade Peekaboo Neutral. I used to use this all the time. This is my second one. When you get a bunch of lip products in and you try a bunch of stuff out, you forget about your OGs, and NYX is one of my OGs. So by coloring in the corners, it does a couple different things. One, it gives you this tapered in effect to where it looks like you have an ombre lip going on. And two, you know how sometimes in here, it wears down faster than the rest of the lip, and you have like this dried look over here and it's kind of empty, and then you have only color left in here. You know, we lick the corners of our lips more, you know, the food gets in there more, and just everything goes on with the corner of the lips. And just gives you a little bit of a oomph as well. I know oomph is not a professional word, but we're gonna go with it, okay? Because this is not a professional channel. If you watch me, you know that. I try to be, it doesn't work out. Now, we're gonna go ahead with our beautiful Moon Gloss right here. And it's funny because I did tell Manny MUA, hey buddy, you told us to go buy your stuff and everything's sold out. Like, come on. This smells really sweet. It smells like a candy. Maybe more of a sugar cookie instead of a candy, but it's definitely not chocolate. It's more like a sugar cookie candy like lip gloss. That's what it is. It's a little thick, it's not thin. I enjoy a really good nude color, and this is the guy. Manny said it was, and it's not sticking together, so that's good. The component looks good. The nice fading out right here looks good. It's all overall a decent product. So I'm thoroughly enjoying everything we got today, even though it's just 2 products. So really couldn't mess up, but you could. You could, and we have. It's happened many times, but not today. Hope you guys are doing great out there. If you haven't subscribed yet, what is your problem? Why haven't you subscribed yet? Just push the button. Go ahead and subscribe. Push the little button on there, because it's not going to shock you when you touch a screen. It's not. I know it won't. I touch my screen all day like this, and I haven't got shocked yet. I'm always going to tell you guys, be kind. Share the love, spread goodness. It doesn't cost anything. Since we can't really do too much for people, give someone a call. Call a relative that you haven't spoke to in a while. You know, call your friend from school. I don't know. Try to do something to let somebody know you're thinking about them, because sometimes that's all we need. And when I read you guys' comments, that's kindness to me, because that makes me feel good. So just in case you didn't know, I do. I feel good when I read comments. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to share the kindness, and I'm going to lead by example, and I'm going to throw a few shout outs to you guys. We've got Jenna Heaven 123, Angie Long, she's been my girl for a while, Tina A, Lorraine Reyes, there's some OGs with me. We have Laura G, who I see her now in the comments, Jocelyn Valadez, who's been a new subscriber, and she's commented ever since she subscribed. And then I did see a new name, Priscilla Campos. You guys all uplift me. And for the guys that don't comment, I'm still grateful to you guys for watching, for subscribing, for supporting my channel. And you know, I bet you that makes people feel good to know that they're appreciated. Just remember to share that with someone else. Let someone else know you're thinking about them. It'll make their day, I promise you. So I'll see you guys in the next one. I love every single one of you. Till next time. Bye! You give me a good deep red and I'm all of a sudden a different person. Red will do that to you, girl. Make you a different person. Watch out. I know it's only 2. I know it's, well, this is 4, but I know it was only 2 products. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If there's any questions or comments you want to leave me, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section below, because that's where comments go. We'll have to do a wear test throughout the day. And why is everybody crooked? Why are we not aligned? What's going on? Get it together, all right? You're on a channel. Jeez, be professional. because I do like pinks and nudes and waubs. Like, that's the kind of girl I am. I like all that stuff. If I can find a really good deep red, I like that as well. I'm a little frisky like that. I bet you didn't know that. You gotta watch me more often. Go ahead and hit the button. You get to see stuff like this. You get to see me poke my eye. I mean, what more fun do you want? Poking eyes and then having a good look, and I still survived it? Hey, that's a good job, all right? Maybe get your coworker lunch and just throw it 6 feet away. It'll land on their desk. It'll be all right. Get a sandwich so you don't hurt nobody. I couldn't not buy something from Manny anyway. Couldn't not. What kind of English am I speaking? Remember double negatives, in a sentence? If my English teacher could see me now, her hair would be standing on the top of her head. Just use a regular NYX pencil brush right here. Nope, it's not a pencil brush. It's not. What was I thinking? I'm going to use a regular NYX, nope, it's not a soft. Why can't I get this shit straight? I'm going to use a regular nope. Again, it's just a NYX product. Why am I making this so difficult? I'm going to go ahead in with this regular NYX lip tint. I give up. So, I don't know if I should do this in the camera. I never have it together. I don't know why I film things. I just don't. I don't know. I'm an oddball. I'm going to go in with this regular NYX. Nope, I'm not holding it right. I'm going to go right in this. Nope. Damn, this damn sentence is going to be the end of me today. Good night, everybody.